When we think about heat, we think about the room heating up or things being hot, but scientifically, heat is explained deeper. About.com defines heat as a form of energy that flows between two samples of matter due to their difference in the temperature. Matter is pretty much anything with anything like solids, liquids, or gas. Energy is defined as vigorous activity. In this case, in the case of heat, energy is the vigorous activity of molecules in matter. When one sample of matter, let's say this candle for example, which is typically 1,000 degrees Celsius, has a higher temperature, which means it is heated up, than the room, which is typically 26 degrees Celsius, when the two meet, you can feel the heat coming off, because heat is always transferred from the higher temperature item to the lower temperature item. So how does the microwave heat up food? The microwave name comes from the type of wave it permits. The microwave. When heat released, it causes the water molecules to shake, like these two apples. They shake very fast. This is the definition of heat. So by heating up the water molecules, the food is hot. Now let's look at this fireball. It is made from cotton and rubbing alcohol. I can hold it in my hand, but to us we think fire is hotter than air, so I shouldn't be able to touch this. The molecules in the rubbing alcohol, C4H9OH, when heated are just about 25 degrees Celsius. When it is about room temperature, so it feels normal to the touch. Next, let's experiment with a Works bomb. A Works bomb is composed of aluminum foil balls, Works, and a Gatorade bottle. When mixed, Works and aluminum foil have a chemical reaction which heats up. When heated, this causes the temperature to rise, and temperature is directly proportional to pressure, so the pressure rises as well. So when the pressure builds up in the Gatorade bottle, it is like an explosion. So heat is when the molecules in a substance start moving vigorously. Heat flows from the hotter matter to the cooler matter. So this explains why your spoon gets so hot when boiling a pot of water. And it is left in the pot. The water molecules are vigorously shaking and the spoon molecules are barely shaking. So the heat flows from the hotter item, which is the water, to the cooler item, which is the spoon. Eventually the items will be the same temperature. About.com defines heat as don't move it. Just keep it down. I can't read it. Alright. When one sample of matter, let's say this candle for example, which is typically 1,000 degrees Celsius, I can't see that. You keep moving it. Okay, let's restart. So how does a microwave heat up food? Well, it's to shake, like these two balls. I don't have balls. Oh. So how does the microwave...